It's the beginning of a new week, and millions of us, God's beloved children, are rising to face another cycle of work, obligations, and endless pursuits. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what are we truly investing our energy into? And why does it so often feel like we're exhausting our God-given power, pouring it into things that, in the end, don't even breathe life back into us? In the book of Genesis, God gave us dominion over the earth. Genesis 1:28 says, God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and every living thing that moves on the earth." But think about this for a moment. Dominion over living things, not lifeless systems, not corporate hierarchies, not soulless metrics like money or status. God entrusted us with the stewardship of life itself. Yet, here we are, exhausting ourselves for things that are dead, things that cannot love, nurture, or fulfill us. It's a cycle we rarely question. We trade our vitality for material possessions, job titles, and the fleeting applause of society, believing these will validate our worth. But let me ask you this: can lifeless systems give you the recognition you crave? Can the soulless ever truly satisfy the soul? Jesus himself warned us about this in Matthew 6:19-21. Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moth and rust destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moth and rust do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Treasures in heaven. Those are the relationships we build, the love we share, the living things we nurture. Yet, we've been deceived into believing that lifeless things hold more value than these eternal treasures. This isn't just a biblical truth, it's a universal law. The law of reciprocity tells us that energy flows where we direct it. When we invest our energy into life-giving pursuits, kindness, creativity, love, we receive that life back, often in ways we can't measure. But when we pour our energy into lifeless pursuits, into things like profit, status, or perfectionism, we end up drained because these things cannot return what we've given. So, how do we break free from this cycle? How do we reclaim our power? The answer lies in shifting our focus from the external to the internal, from what society says matters to what truly resonates with our soul. Philippians 4:8 gives us a roadmap. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. When we align our energy with these values, we step into harmony with God's design for our lives. We start building treasures that last, ones that bring peace, joy, and fulfillment. As you step into this new week, take a moment to reflect. What would it look like to pour your energy into living things, to nurture relationships, pursue creativity, and invest in what truly matters? What if, instead of exhausting yourself for lifeless systems, you chose to trust in the dominion God has already placed within you? Remember, you are God's beloved. Your power is sacred. It was never meant to be drained by the dead, but to give life to what is eternal. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual and uplifting insights. Let's walk this journey together, reclaiming our power and creating a more harmonious world.